everybody, welcome to my channel. I like to share with you guys things that you guys can get deals with. And yes, it is time for Michaels to do their mystery bags. Now, not every store does this. Please keep that in mind. I called today and I found out that one of my stores was starting to put the St. Patrick's Day stuff on clearance. And I'm like, okay, that's good because I want to decorate more for St. Patrick's Day. Other store I called, they didn't have anything. So I am here to share with you guys what I got. And I only got 2 of them. But the mystery bags, they're called grab bags, and they're always usually $4. And what they are is this stuff. Most of the time, it's all seasonal stuff, but sometimes they send you random stuff. I've done a couple of these in the past, so you guys have to check those out. But I'm just gonna dig in and share with you guys what I got. Now, I felt like around for all of these, and they're all pretty much all the same. They did have one with a hat, but I'm like, I don't really need that. But inside, I saw this kind of sticking through the thing, and this is Valentine's Day stickers, which I think is kind of weird, but these are like a donut, an ice cream, and a cupcake. So I thought those are kind of cute. I kind of saw that through the bag. And then I kind of wanted something like this, just a regular clover with the tinsel, and I thought it's stuck. And I thought this would be kind of cute if I wanted to take it apart and hold on, baby. Sorry, I'm trying to get a basket out for my kid. Okay, Ben, just wait for me to get it done when I'm done. But I think this is super cute. You know, I actually like this one. I think it's better than the Dollar Tree, and I like it how it's got the stem. So I might take that apart for a DIY that I'm going to do. I also saw these. They had quite a few of these, and this is just like a little clover with like a little bottom base to it. I think these are super cute. This one's kind of loose, but it's not a big deal. So I thought that was a great deal. This one, it was originally $9.99 was the price for that. And this was originally priced $9.99, and the stickers were $3.99. So kind of got my money off with this. And then, ooh, this is kind of cute. It's a little beat up, but that's okay. It says, "Kiss me, I'm Irish." So I thought that's a cute little sign, and this was originally $9.99, so $10. So I basically got like a $34 box for $4 or a bag, whatever. That was that. So I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, some stores are different. Some stores, like, they had one item in a bag. So every store is different, but I would call ahead before driving around and see if they have them. And they usually have them right by the registers. So this is bag number 2. Yeah, I'm not really like, I know a lot of people don't go crazy over this stuff, but what we got is some novelty glasses that are originally $5.99, and it says the drinks are on me. So those are cute, and they're actually green colored, so we got that. I actually got a shirt. Look at that. It's a small, but it does look like it runs big. I wish you a lucky day. So cute little t-shirt. And then, yeah, there's like not much in here. And then I got some garland. This was originally $6.99, which is kind of cute. So yeah, so we got that for $6.99. The shirt was originally $9.99, and the glasses were $5.99. So you get some good stuff and you get some okay stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys so you guys can call around and check your stores. I know Easter is coming up. And I will definitely be letting you guys know when that happens, but definitely come out and check it. Today is Monday, April 16th, and they just put the St. Patty's Day stuff out, so I just wanted to share with you guys. If you guys enjoy these Michaels grab bags, please give it a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys find. Every place is different. I've seen some people haul stuff, and it's just like, man, I wish we had those. I wish we had those, but like I said, every store is different. But I want to say thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys all later. Bye-bye.